What is up, Web3 crew? It's me, Chris Atumans, right here at GameExpo at World Trade Center, and I'm currently at the booth of FOMO Books together with Bassem. How are you today?
I'm fine. I'm happy to be with FOMO. FOMO with FOMO. That's good.
FOMO Books and FOMO Future of Money. So let's talk about background about yourself and what you're doing in FOMO Books.
Mainly, I'm a literary agent. I represent a number of authors, and then I'm helping a friend in a passion project, which is FOMO Books, because we love comics, but we never had comics in Arabic for so many years.
Yeah.
There was coming from Lebanon in the 80s and the 90s while we were kids, and right now, there isn't, and even the English comic books are very expensive when it comes to us. It's like 60 dirhams per issue.
Yeah.
Right now, when we make FOMO, we make it more affordable. It's 10 dirhams per issue. So maybe the newer generation will be interested in it as they are interested in manga.
Yes, fantastic. So what do you think what makes FOMO Books stand out from all the competitors? You know, we have a lot of books around.
Yeah, so basically we have the passion for the books, we have the passion for the comics that we're selling. The other thing is we are the ones who has the official license to translate some of the most exciting titles like Absolute Batman, Absolute Superman, Absolute Wonder Woman, also Transformer, Invincible, all the titles that everyone is excited about. We try to bring it to the Arab world in Arabic, of course, and also in English edition that is more affordable. So I think this is the most of the strength that we have.
What do you think will be the future impact of FOMO Books for all the community or the society?
I hope the next generation, the Gen Z and Alpha, will be interested again in comics like we were interested, because we had like comic books around us everywhere. Right now, I think in UAE, for example, there's only 3 shops for comic books. So I think our main impact will be there will be more comic book shops, there will be more outlets that's selling comics, and maybe we're bringing some of the comic culture back, and hopefully there is original Arabic comics coming from some of our local talented artists.
Are you planning to integrate into Web3 space as well, tokenize everything, the FOMO book?
I really don't understand the tokenizing, the meaning of the tokenizing, but I understand something to get to do with the cryptocurrency.
Yeah.
So, but I don't fully get it.
It's okay. So after GameExpo Dubai Summit, what's next for FOMO Books?
We're hoping to be in every. We were in Comic-Con Abu Dhabi. We were planning to be in Comic-Con Bahrain. We're planning to be in all the Comic-Cons and all the events that the community will be around. So most of the book fairs, most of the Comic-Cons, most of the Expo that are happening, and it's always happening in Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So we're excited about that. So we'll be there. If there is an event, you will see it there.
Thank you so much. Are you guys open for partners and collaborations? If so, how they should get in touch with you guys?
You can always contact us on FOMO.books on Instagram, or go to our website that is launching in a couple of weeks, FOMObooks.com.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Bassem.
you.
Last question. What do you think is the future of money?
Well, I'm hoping it's a hopeful thought that eventually we will arrive to like one standard currency that everyone is dealing with. You will never think again about a conversion rate or something like that. So hopefully, crypto or otherwise, or something totally new that we didn't discover yet, will be the future of currency, and we will continue to be spending by cards without holding money, so we'll spend more.
Thank you so much, Bassem. And now describe this event in 3 words. Let's go.
Exciting, colorful, loud.
All right, thank you so much. There you have it. I hope you get a lot of insights from him, from FOMO Books. This is me, Chris Atumans. More to come only here at FOMO, the future of money.